You ever have those nights where you want to eat something from your childhood, but it's not super good for you, so you try to make it a little bit healthier? We're going to make some hamburger helper. I used 2 pounds of beef, some red onion, and garlic. Also had some of these colorful bell peppers I chopped up, some frozen broccoli cuts from the dollar store. You're going to saute all of those things together. I'm also going to add a can of diced tomato I had in the cabinet. This is the type of hamburger helper I got, also from the dollar store. You're going to add your macaroni noodles to the pot. Add the sprinkle packet that's got cheese, cornstarch, God knows what else. And then 2 cups of milk, 1.5 cups of hot water. You're going to want to bring this to a boil. And because I didn't have a lid big enough to cover my wok, we're going to use some redneck engineering and cover it with a cookie sheet. Once it cooks down for about 12 minutes, I'm going to add some fresh spinach. Mix that in there very carefully so that the spinach cooks and will eventually wilt. This is what it looks like. I added more cheese because, you know, I love my cheese. I let it simmer a little bit more so the sauce would get thick. This is where I screwed up and used the wrong side of the crushed pepper flakes, so we got a bunch of pepper flakes. Also added lemon pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and Italian seasoning. If you don't add the seasoning, the internet will flip the out. I also broke the pepper grinder and got little pepper balls in the thing. This meal was a little bit chaotic, but in the end it worked out. This is what it looks like once the sauce has thickened, and I'm going to top it with some green onion. Thank you so much for watching. Please follow for more.